too.
Hey
Do your
guys,
intro,
today I am going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure with my friend, the Normal Penguin.
What's up, guys?
And they're
Hey,
going to
my-
be helping me because I have no clue how to play this game. So let's get into it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, Parker, you need to send a request to join me.
Okay, also, while you're at it, also subscribe to the Normal Penguin. We're almost at 20 subs. I want to reach here by my birthday, September 22nd, 2020.
And I'm also here.
Yeah, my sister's here as well. She's going to help you grind as well. We've been grinding this game on our past gameplay that we haven't uploaded yet. Coming soon, sneak peek on no one's channel. What were you going to say, Chelsea?
Can you accept the thingy?
No one's invited me.
Really?
There we go.
Okay, I'm in Coleman's team right now.
Yep. Now Chelsea needs
Yo, what's up,
to-
bro?
Hi.
What's up, bro?
Hi.
Please.
GG.
Yeet! Okay, Coleman, which ship do you want to use?
Thank you.
Good boat, sailboat, yacht boat, or jailboat?
Jailboat. Wait, you can save multiple boats? How many boats do you get?
You get to save 4.
Oh.
No, Parker, it's only 3. You bought another one.
How?
Wait, you can buy one?
Only 3.
Oh, you can buy slots. I didn't know that. How much is 2 bucks? Oh. Okay. So, I'm going to be doing... Which boat do you want, except for jailboat?
Huh?
What boat do you want? Yacht, sail, or good boat?
Wait, I'm starting a quest.
Okay, but first, answer my question.
What?
Yacht, sail, or good boat?
Good boat.
Good boat?
How do you buy boats?
Okay, I'm just going to do sailboat. I don't really care.
I said good boat.
Yeah, this is the better boat.
Whatever.
Yeah, Coleman, we jailed you last time.
Yeah, and I survived the whole time, and it gave me 25 coins, and I already spent it.
25 points only.
Yeah. How do you guys get
Okay, off
points
to
in
the
this game?
quests.
Yeah.
I'm also
Launch
playing on my
boat, launch
phone,
boat,
so
launch
it's
the boat.
Oh, okay.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, so if I go into
We are off to the races.
If I go into quests, it says touch the cloud to get 25 balloons, 5 plastic blocks, 5 fabric. Yeah, I just need to
I
get
didn't know they were questions.
25 balloons.
I think I've touched the clouds many times in this game.
Yeah, totally. Uh-huh.
Wait, Coleman, we have to launch you to space.
We have to.
Okay, guys, jump off the boat and kill yourself.
It's a must.
That's like the weirdest request I've ever given. Jump off the boat and kill yourself.
I'm trying to.
Okay, Coleman,
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come with me. I'm gonna place you down a rocket, and there's gonna be a seat on it. You're gonna clip that rocket. Chelsea, you're gonna use your own rocket.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I can't place anything.
Okay, no, you can place your own rocket.
It's impossible.
Okay, Coleman, I'm gonna put a seat on it, and when we deploy, I'm gonna tell you to click the rocket, and you're gonna go flying.
Okay.
So just put down
I
your
can't
rocket and put
place
down a
it.
seat. Fly.
Tell me
You
when
do
to
it.
go.
Chelsea, do this.
Ready, Parker?
No, I'm not ready.
This is gonna be hilarious.
What did you do, bro?
Tell me when to go.
Okay,
Press check mark.
it's not ready.
Press the check mark.
Can I
Okay, doesn't
go?
matter. Press it.
No, I'll tell you when you can go.
Okay.
I'm still waiting for Chelsea to get her approval. Okay, ready, Chelsea?
Uh-huh.
Get on yours.
Ready.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Flip your rocket. No.
Map. Oh, I see the balloons.
We're just going so high. Okay, we have to do that again. That was too funny.
Wait, I see the balloons. Wait, Parker. No, but
What?
Parker, no joke. It says, I need touch the cloud to get 25 balloons.
That's Parker. There's a cloud.
There's a cloud in one of the levels.
No, it's up in the sky.
Really?
Oh, I know what he's talking about.
Yeah, I need to touch that. See?
Stop. Dang it!
Alright.
Parker, help me. It's up here. Do you see
Why is
it?
there a soccer ball?
Okay, Parker, you gotta help me. I gotta touch it. Can you give me a rocket?
I'm gonna use a different seat this time.
Parker, no, over here.
No, just take it. Accept. Ready? Launch boat.
I'm not ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm trying to touch the cloud. Did I miss it?
I got 25 balloons.
I missed it.
I got also 5.
Yeah,
blocks,
I know. I was trying to touch
5
it.
carpet. No, just keep touching that cloud.
It's fun.
How did you
I
guys
looked at me,
touch
I couldn't
it? You can't control it, can you? Put an actual
How did
seat
you
on
miss?
it.
Yours has a lot of frosting on it.
That
a
was a
little
big bite.
different.
Yeah.
I need some gold.
Also, if you're wondering, we're eating cinnamon buns right now.
That's nice.
Ew! No, don't do that.
Did you guys
That's
touch it?
wrong.
I need to touch it.
Okay.
No, get off! I'm on rocket.
No, where'd the cloud go?
You can only see it when. Could you like my choice of chair?
Oh, it's right above us. Parker, it's right above us. Place it down, quick.
Oh, the cloud! Cloud!
Place mine
Oh,
down.
does it move or something?
Oh no, I placed it wrong! Okay, Coleman.
Why?
Stop moving! Go!
Go.
Launch?
Go!
Oh no.
I didn't touch it. I touched it.
Yes! He touched it!
And I'm doing backflip.
Mine didn't work.
Chelsea's just going all over the place.
Okay, you guys.
Tell me when you die. Okay, that sounded very cruel. No, I want to touch a soccer ball. There's a soccer ball.
What's another challenge I can do?
I don't know what the challenge is, but I want to touch
Wait,
that.
how do you get quests? I didn't even know you could do that.
Well, let's touch the cloud again. That,
didn't
No,
even know
it
you
gives
could
you
do
good
that.
stuff. The cloud
It
gives you
does?
really good
I need
stuff.
to.
Wait,
Where's the
I've never
target?
touched the cloud. How do you touch it?
Hey, you guys.
Huh?
Where's the target?
Target.
Oh, I think it's in one of
Or-
the things. Here,
Launch
you
it,
guys.
okay, launch.
I need to
Just
make
get fun.
money. How do I
I'm
make
not ready. I
money?
need to put a seat
Okay,
on.
ready?
Coleman, press the launch boat button.
No.
Press it!
I'm building.
Fine.
Okay, I'm gonna press the launch button.
No, Chelsea! I'm launching it for you. Bye, Chelsea.
Oh, I was so close!
Bye, Chelsea. It's like when you hit a golf shot and it goes nowhere near the hole.
Oh
my God. Parker, can you help me? I need to hit it. I need help. I'm gonna
Where's the
build a
target?
boat. I need to build a boat. Ready, you guys? I'm gonna build a boat.
Coleman, I already have a boat.
Fine, let's take your boat. I want
What
the
boat
jail
do we need?
jail cell. Cause let Chelsea drive it because in the jail cell I got so far. Parker, no. Parker, we gotta get in the jail cell.
Let me drive it?
Yeah,
No,
Parker.
I was driving it.
No, Parker, we get in the jail cell because you get coins. Because this right here is unbreakable.
Okay. Get in.
I'm trying to. Go, close it.
Yeah!
Ready?
Boys!
Ready?
Yeah, go,
Yeah,
Chelsea.
Go!
Launch the boat.
Ah, Coleman! Coleman, realize I could just do that. Wait,
What?
why can I open it?
This thing is hard to move.
Oh,
Coleman, don't get out! Coleman, don't get out! That would have been bad.
This thing doesn't turn.
no, Chelsea, you're trying to go. You're going now. Did she just die?
No.
You
I
do?
tried to pick up my cinnamon bun, but the rest just fell off. Wait, why are we turning so much? Chelsea,
Because
stop!
she's going the right way finally.
Hey!
I'm pooping.
Ew, he's a baby. He needs diapers. This thing doesn't turn.
Look at you guys. This is what it looks like.
Coleman,
not
what's with your
working.
face?
Parker,
What's
it's
with
not
that face?
turning. Parker, it's not turning.
Chelsea, no, the boat's not turning!
It's not turning.
It's not turning!
You guys, look. This is my perspective. Parker, go into first person.
Ah.
Oh, wait.
Ah.
Oh, now it's
I
turning.
guess that's going. You're wall. No, sit down.
Spin around.
Oh no! Oh no! You're locked.
Parker, I'm sitting in my seat. Look.
No, that's a toilet.
Oh.
It's supposed to be.
Sit in our seat. No, that's my seat.
This thing's indestructible.
Yeah, it
Chelsea,
is.
what are you doing? What are you doing, Chelsea?
Okay, let's see what's going. Why is there clocks? Chelsea!
Yeah.
Where are you going?
She's trying to disconnect the jail cell.
Uh-huh.
But Chelsea, you're just smashing the jail cell. You've already broken a piece off of it. Yeah.
I've accomplished my goals, Mom. Are you proud of me?
No, because you're gonna drop out of
You're not
college
my
in the first
mom.
semester. What the heck is this?
Ooh, it's a flower biome. Yeah, so
Not
it's
that good.
this is indestructible, Parker.
Nope, I hit that. Gotta time it right. with the-
While we're in the jail cell, subscribe to help us break out of the jail. And when we break out of the jail, we'll be getting
You're
treasure.
not getting out, Parker. You can just open the door.
Oh, and where are we going?
Pizza! I don't know, but all I know is that boat is not turning. This boat's broken.
Whoops.
Oh, the engine's broke.
No! No, stop! No, the jail cell! The jail cell's breaking! The jail cell's breaking!
No,
At least I'm on the small part.
No. Parker, I'm good. No, I'm getting
Ow.
glitched. Parker, I'm getting glitched. No, help.
No, the ceiling's destroyed! No!
Oh well, you're fine.
I'm getting glitched.
Ice pops! No! Chelsea, why'd you put it back first?
My protection.
Coleman, I'm pooping.
Don't die. Oh no, not the train. Yes, you're gonna make it. I hope Chelsea dies right here.
Hey!
That's the nicest thing you could have said all day.
I know, right?
No, the jail cell's gone.
Good.
Look.
Parker, we gotta survive this.
Yeah.
I gotta survive this.
Oh no,
Oh no.
Parker.
Treasure! Treasure!
We
Treasure!
have
Treasure!
Track. Oh.
Parker! You built a sturdy
Having a
boat,
grand old
Parker.
time here.
Need a poop.
That's nice. Oh my god. I wonder what it looks like first person. Ready for
My poop made me have explosive diarrhea.
I don't want to get out. Never mind. I'm staying in my cave cell.
Ah, Rob!
Oh, look.
Ow! No, Coleman, let me have my spot.
No.
Ah! Stay safe. This is like COVID-19.
The best part about
Did Chelsea just die?
Chelsea died. Chelsea's dying, and I'm dying too. Coleman, you're in the best spot to go. Ah! Chelsea, ow! Get on top of the boat. No, it's too fast.
I'm still alive, Parker.
I'm still on. I'm on. Yes. No. I survived. No. Chelsea, I survived.
I'm bald.
Coleman died. Chelsea, no. Chelsea.
No!
No, you guys.
I love you, Mom.
You guys, I died.
Wait, what?
Wait, I'm standing and I'm
I'm-
not dying.
What?
I'm standing and I'm not dying.
I'm fine.
I didn't
Shocked.
die. Parker, I'm still on
That
my
was
feet.
crazy. Oh, you can get stuff to defend your boat. That's cool.
This is so easy.
All we have to do is stand here.
Oh God.
Wait,
Chelsea, I'm standing on a little block.
You guys, what's the
that,
strongest
see?
material?
Chelsea, look at this. Look at my boat.
wait, the water's rising, Parker. The water's rising.
Yeah, look at my boat. Chelsea, look at my boat.
Nice boat.
This is like an escape plan from like a prison or something, like Alcatraz.
I know, right?
We're gonna do it.
Yes, we can.
Chelsea, your boat's like sunken.
It's not. It's perfectly fine. I'm only bald, only lost some hair.
Chelsea, I'm so lucky.
I'm so lucky you're looking at me, dude.
No, Chelsea, there's a pencil coming up.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Ah, 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 ah,
Oh.
ah. How is
Oh.
Chelsea still alive?
I died.
Never mind.
Parker,
I
help
dropped
me
60
build my
pieces of
boat.
gold.
Coleman, I know what we have to do to make this good. Yes.
What the heck?
This quote unquote yacht. It's not even a yacht.
Coleman, this is the secure room.
Okay.
Oh, let me put a door up.
Can I add stuff to your build or no?
No.
I want to.
Get in the boat, Cole.
Wait, can I get in?
Yeah. No, I'll drive. Coleman, get in the boat.
Okay,
Man.
I'm in.
Get in the party boat, Chelsea.
Where do you go? Why am I here with a boy?
There you go.
There's like no windows.
You're trapped. Yes, there. Chelsea. Do you not look right there?
We're gonna die.
Yeah, this one we're gonna die.
Parker, I want to get out. I want to go in.
No.
No, where are you?
I get out, mommy.
You guys can't get out.
No, I want to go up to where you are, and once it gets dangerous, I go back in.
But Coleman, if you jump, you're gonna No, I'm not gonna let you.
No, let me out, Parker, quick.
Coleman, what are you gonna do?
Open the
I
door.
told you that was gonna happen.
No, let me back in. No, reset, please.
I'm fine.
Coleman, I told you that was gonna happen.
Reset, please.
No.
You're evil.
Coleman, we have to make a rocket ship. Make a rocket ship. Chelsea, I'm stuck.
I'm stuck in the water. Okay, I died.
See you guys.
I think that was meant to be.
I have no idea.
Okay, Coleman. Ready to build a rocket ship?
I'm a rocket ship.
No, we need
Wait,
an
are we doing the
escape
regular rocket ship, Parker?
rocket ship.
Parker.
No, Parker, no. Take one of your regular boats, and then we have an escape rocket ship.
Parker. Please.
Launch.
Cole, move. No, Cole. Cole.
No, reset the character. I have an idea. We're gonna make a rocket ship, except it has more than one rocket. So if we
No.
run out of rockets,
We need to be out on the ocean, able to bypass everything.
wow.
Parker, we can stack all the motors on top of each other.
Parker, you do know I can add to your builds, right?
Yeah. Well, hold on, Coleman. Watch this. I have a 200. Get off of it. I can't place it.
Wait, Parker.
Okay.
No, Parker, let me stack mine on top of yours.
Oh yes. Okay, this is my test experiment. Say Chelsea, what just happened? Chelsea, get off of it.
Cole needs to move.
Cole, actually stop. Get off of it.
Okay.
Chelsea, you need to get off of it too. So I'm gonna shove
Okay,
it.
you guys, I'm just gonna
Parker, I just
reset
did
my
it.
character.
You did it.
Reset.
No, it's not. It's gonna be uneven. Delete
I
it.
can't get up there.
Yeah, I don't know
Let me
what
do
you're
it.
doing. This game is
Chelsea,
hilarious.
delete that one.
It's the
Delete that one. Delete both of them.
Okay, guys,
I need to get on top of
ready
it.
for my
No,
build?
you do not.
My amazing build.
Then
You
how
do it,
are we
Chelsea.
gonna?
You
I
do it.
can do it.
You said that last time. Yes.
Do
Yes.
we need some of
Ready,
these?
Chelsea?
How are we supposed to get on top of it? You can't get on
Wait.
top.
No, Chelsea, stop jumping. Jump.
We need to add more seats.
Chelsea, jump.
Parker, we need to add
a
more
little
seats.
bit of this.
Bro.
No, Parker, we need to add more
Start
seats.
it, Cole.
What?
Press start adventure.
Hi,
Put everything.
piggies. Hi, Bubba.
No, it just clear all
Chelsea,
yes.
on camera. So,
Okay, start it, Coleman.
Why?
Press on the side. Start the
Parker, I'm
journey.
just gonna die.
Hey guys, we need to make it level. Reset your character so it ends.
No. We should do this in the middle of the ocean. Put it sideways, Parker. So then when you're out there, we can just go complete Yeah. So put the rocket sideways so when you reset launch, we can just bypass everything and just go speeding.
Oh, I'm gonna make an airplane.
Okay, let's make an airplane.
If we're an airline, so we all sit on it.
That's the wrong way.
Ready for my airplane, Coleman?
Yeah.
Wait, can you actually add 3 seats though?
I'll put some carpet down.
Oh, we don't need carpet. We need a structure. Coleman, we don't need that.
Yes, you do.
Okay, Coleman, the plane's ready.
No, it's not.
You ready, Chelsea? I'm gonna put the seats down. Coleman, actually delete those.
How do I?
Chelsea, can you move?
Yeah. Oh.
Coleman, delete those pieces.
Okay, how do I?
Ready?
all the pieces.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, get up.
Get up. You know what?
Played on mobile or something?
Go.
Vote.
No, just let us go out first. Don't press them.
Parker, we should
No,
I know how to do it. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. I know how to do it.
Yeah, I
Please
do
trust
too.
me on
Don't
this.
leave the game. Good job.
Please, everybody, trust me on this.
I know what you're talking. I had this idea.
No, I know what to do. I know what to do, and let me do what I need to
He's
do. I'm gonna
talking
stick on the bottom.
There's a whole mouthful.
Can I add stuff to it?
Never.
Let me trust me on this one, please.
Oh. I'm so glad.
Comment stop. Chelsea, who's placing those trusses?
Not me.
Not me. We need a motor on the back.
I know exactly. But let me make it level now, so it won't like tip.
Let's go to tip, Parker.
No, we don't need a motor like that. All
an
we need
airline.
is another engine.
This is not
And now I
gonna
can
work.
put a
Wait
piece.
until we get out there first, though.
Okay, Coleman, pick a seat.
Okay.
You have to choose the first
No,
one.
you're not taking the racing seat. You're taking the seats that I put down and assigned because it's homework.
Okay, ready? Launch the ship.
Woo!
Don't do it.
Hi, my dude.
Parker, can you listen to me?
No.
We need to play. Let's actually try now. Parker,
I
add on to my build, okay? Ready?
add on to your build.
Yeah, let's make a build.
How do you use pink concrete?
Because I got it from something.
Owie.
I introduced the world's best rocket ship.
What is this thing?
I'm aboard, folks. I'm gonna take a seat.
There is none.
There's a seat behind me. Coleman, sit on the seat behind me. There's a seat behind me.
Fine. I just wanted to make a stupid ship.
3.
He's sitting on your duck train.
This is not gonna work.
No, don't press it yet. Don't press it. Wait until we get. No, Parker.
No, we're doing it.
I haven't lost any health at all.
Okay, Parker.
Say your character.
Can we
No,
actually
Parker.
try? Parker, I want to try the win the
I'm
game.
going after it.
Let's do jail cell. Parker, put down jail cell. I want to try and win the game. No, that's not jail cell. No,
This is jail cell.
I'm gonna try.
Coleman,
And,
let me add emergency 2 motors at the back.
yeah, cause I'm gonna add stuff to the top because I have concrete.
I'll be right back.
Chelsea's gonna be right back. Wait, Coleman, what are you doing?
Adding stuff to the back to reinforce it. Add stuff, Parker.
Hey, Coleman, I'm gonna move the engine, that one that's on the dinghy, to the back so it's easier to maneuver the boat. Oops, I put it on the wrong one. Okay, ready? Okay, Coleman, this is probably the dumbest thing we've ever done, but we need content.
Yes. Ready, guys?
It's all wrong.
Chelsea,
On the wrong
you need to drive the boat. Okay. And Chelsea, guess the motor. It's back. We also have some reinforcements in case of disaster. Coleman, get into jail.
Wait, I'm putting stuff up.
Coleman, we don't need that.
Okay,
Okay, get in.
I'm getting in.
Wait, no, I put the motor on Ron. Chelsea, don't go yet. Okay, it's all set. 3, 2, 1. Start expedition.
Parker,
Is it linked? What?
you're not in. Oh, there you are. It just glitched you out. I want the potty seat.
4, 3, 6.
Look at our boat.
We're not going to use the motors unless if we absolutely have to.
Parker, one of our motors went bye-bye.
Not turning.
We need to win the game.
Why? How did our motor already
This
break?
boat doesn't turn. This thing doesn't turn.
How come we're always like prisoners first? You should treat your prisoners. Chelsea's actually stuck with the
Scared me.
10 times better than
No, I hope the rocks roll
usual.
us around, so Chelsea goes first.
Okay, I took the foam off of the mic.
That's nice.
I personally think
Parker, as
it's
soon as we get flipped around, you press those rockets.
Okay.
This might be a while.
Don't worry, I make sure you flip around. We lost the.
Why did you jump up? We lost the motor anyways.
Yeah, it wouldn't have worked.
It might work.
Hey Coleman, we lost our motor. We lost our motor.
No, but we still have the jets. We still got
Coleman, are you
them.
pooping? Ah! No, I accidentally pressed it.
Parker,
I tried to press the gate.
let's just leave.
Just
Reset.
jump off. Coleman, look. No, Coleman, we found new land.
Oh yeah, we did.
Good. Coleman?
Wait, I'm gonna do a story.
Well, everybody, thanks for watching this gameplay video. We'll see you in the next one with my sister Chelsea and maybe Coleman, because you guys
Yeah.
seem to like him a lot. So see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.